Good morning, good afternoon, the world. This is the Boss Couple 22, and today we're out in London, London style.
So we're just going to do some sightseeing around London. So walk with us. Just walking down Warren Street to get to Tottenham Court Road.
It's like in New York right here, right now. This is London, Tottenham Court Road. Different things, different world, different style.
Let's get a bit of retail therapy.
Ooh, lovely though.
Get back out in the open air to see what other vibes we can get. Various courtyards, various gated buildings, beautiful buildings. Look at this big one. Wow. A quick hop, skip, and then we are sauntering into Soho Square.
When you come to London, you gotta come to Soho Square. Play table tennis in the day, and have lots of nice streets at night. So you do Soho Square. And here is Charles II by Cassius Gabriel Cyber, 1681, restored to the square by Lady Gilbert in 1938. This is bits of London that you don't actually see, guys. And we're taking you there. The Boss Couple 22. Hello, Charlie boy. What's going on?
So after a pretty hectic day, we took the bus up the road to the tube station. And headed home.
She had like rash all over her skin.
Skin conditioner.
What a rash.
No, I've got something else.
A rash.
If anyone knows, let us know.
What a rash. Rash all over her face, hands, arms. Just scratching her legs. Either she's got fleas or she's just got a rash. Pretty nasty. That's why we try to stay clear of the underground, man, because underneath the ground, you don't know what is there.